Welcome back to another adventure, guys. Uh, if you watch my videos, you know I bought this three-jaw chuck from Grizzly on their clearance for $50, and I'm trying it out. Um, so we're going to complete the project today that we started in that video. This beginning is just a little rehash of that, and getting this piece of wood chucked up in the lathe. And we're going to make something that's quick, that's easy, and that every wood shop needs. And if you've read the description, you know what it is. So let's get started, get the thing chucked up, and get to turning. So we've got a nice piece of wood chucked up. It went in the chuck pretty good. Let's turn it on and see how it goes. First step, we're going to use a spindle gouge to get all that bark off, clean this thing up, and make it round. It's looking pretty good, but I'm going to switch to a bowl gouge now and finish cleaning it up and clean off the end. If you're enjoying this video so far, would you do me a favor and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment? Tell me what kind of woodworking you like to do. A bad spot there at the end. Next day, back in the shop, and of course, I started and forgot to turn the camera on. So I did a little bit of work, you can see on the handle, and now I'm finishing up shaping the head, and then we're going to get to work shaping the handle. I'm going to speed this thing up so you don't have to sit through all the boring turning. But the trick with a handle is to get it just the right size. Too big and it's uncomfortable in my hand. Too small and the same. So I just want it to fit just right. I got pretty big hands, so I'm turning a fairly thick handle on this thing. When you're doing yours, test it. Stop, grab it, see how it feels in your hand. And keep turning, keep slimming it down until you get it just right. Now that's interesting. Just a hair too I think that'll work. So now everyone's joy, sanding. I typically only sand with 120 and 220. I do not go to the finer grits. I've never seen a point in doing that, and my projects come out just fine. some beeswax and mineral oil we're going to put on this thing. Looks pretty nice. So now all we need to do is cut this off. And there you go, guys. A nice maul for the shop. It's a shame that it had a bad spot in the middle, but that's what happens sometimes. But it'll still work. Nice easy lathe project for you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to the channel, hit that like, and leave a comment. Tell me what you think of this thing, and if you made one. Also suggestions of what you'd like to see. I'd really appreciate it. So there you go. Have a great week. Catch you next time. Bye.